Morning everyone. Today I'm excited to share about our project Clean Drop X, which is a smart sustainable water purifier with natural filters and modern sensors present in it, as well as which is used to provide clean safe drinking water without pollution and waste. Now why Clean Drop X? Globally 2 billion people are in the lack of clean safe drinking water, and with rising pollution and population a smart sustainable goal is required. And to achieve this we have made a filter using the powerful filters. Now this filter is made by combining our Indian traditional knowledge and smart engineering. Now components used in this filter is the cotton filters, which removes mud, dust and impurities, the gravels, which are used to remove the large debris present at the base layer, is the charcoal, which is used to remove chlorine content from the water, and at the base is the neem and tulsi powder, which is used to acts as a natural disinfectant for that water. And at the base is the ceramic beads, which is used to cut down heavy metal content and add up the mineral content to the water. And all things made over here are biodegradable, low cost and natural.
I'm going to start with smart detectors and Arduino system, which includes turbidity sensor, TDS sensor, pH strips, and LCD displays. Turbidity sensor detects the turbidity of water. LCD display shows the real readings in real time, and pH strips checks the acidity or alkalinity of water. The next point is our project is inspired by great Indian scientists who worked on water purification. For example, Dr. Ashok Gadgil, who discovered the UV based purifiers for Indian villages. And the next one is Professor T. Pradeep from IIT Madras created nano purifiers for arsenic removal, which is used across all India. The next point is recycling dirt and zero waste. As nothing goes to waste in Clean Drop X, solid waste from filters is dried and composted. The charcoals and gravels are reused or refilled after a few weeks. No pollution, no chemical, or no waste. This is a environment friendly based project. The next point is pollution free and energy efficient. Clean Drop X is powered by gravity or low energy, no need for heavy electricity. The next point is filters are natural and easily available and biodegradable. The design of project is easy and maintained and affordable for all. It is a planet friendly and people friendly project we are talking about.
Yes, and the global impact of this project will help in rural areas, disaster-like situations, slums and villages, schools and colleges, and the global communities which lack clean, safe drinking water. As well as we support the UN Sustainable Development Goals, that is, our project comes under SDG 6 clean water, and our vision is to provide clean water to every drop, to every person and the planet. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now we'll be seeing about the working of our project. So let's go towards the detection phase of our project, in which a turbidity sensor, a TDS meter is available with us. So this sensor works with one end with LED and second with LDR. When water passes between this, the voltage obtained tells us about the turbidness of the water. So we'll check for clear water and the screen will display clean. Second one is the cloudy water. And next one is the dirty. And now, after obtaining the cloudiness report of our water, we will be checking the TDS meter, which tells about the total dissolved salts in our water. So, this shows the reading of 30. That is the low mineral contained water, which is ideal for drinking purpose. Second is the cloudier one, which is 75 ppm. And next one is the dirty water, which has a reading of 94. So, though these all water lie in the ideally contained one, but the contaminants present tell us about the idealness of drinking water. And now next.
I am going to explain the decontamination part of our project. As you can see, this is the dirty water and I am going to put it in this filtration part. As you can see, there are layers of bacteria. This is the tulsi and neem powder, the gravels and the carbonaceous. This is the filter water. You can see from these layers we are getting the filter water in the last. Necessary for our use, our daily use. This is the decontamination part of our project. Thank you.
Thank you.